Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I'm going to bring you a super quick video on this Harmony, because it's having a nice increase in pump today, 27.5% at the time of recording this video. I want to try and give it quick because I know sometimes I'm long in my videos. I just want to do a quick update, give you some analysis on what I'm seeing in the price here. If it sounds interesting, get it out. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. I'm spitting everywhere. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions. Look, the hand is going. If it goes, just my own personal opinions. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, looking at the charts here, Harmony has been respecting this granddad line that I've been drawing for the last months, that I've drawn over the last months. I've stuck it there, I haven't changed it, and as you can see, I told you guys in the past, every time Harmony is above this line, it's powerful, it's a granddad line. This tells you what's happening with the price, right? And you know, if it broke it, like back here, back in 2020, it broke it. It took a long time trying to break above it. It resisted, fell back down, came above, finally broke it here. You can see it fluctuated a bit here, and it's remained above it since then. And you can see all these little falls that Harmony's had along the way. It's respected this line, it's bounced off of it. On top of that, we've got this yellow line, which is the 21-day moving average. Let me just grab it up so I got the wrong thing here. This yellow line here, 21-day moving average. You can see 21, and it's powerful. Most people use this all the time. If you're new to technical analysis and you don't understand, the 21 line is the most popular. 20 or 21 moving average is popular because whenever price is below it, you know, it usually finds it hard to get back above it. It resists. Same goes for if it's above it. And if you ever look here, you can see in the past, you know, Harmony rode this line like a wave. I say it a lot, I know, but I'm going to keep saying it because it makes perfect sense. Look, it bounces off the 21. It bounces off of it. See, it bounces off of it till it gets to the top. And obviously here, you saw a little price correction. But we're above it again. And I expect Harmony to bounce off it like it did before, like a wave. Just keep bouncing off it. You know, where are we going to see Harmony's price go? Well, look, this is important right now because it's just broke this important Fibonacci extension here. There's 0.702. This one is important. It's broken it, and it's broken it clear skies, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Again, not cutting it. Raw fish on the guy like Tesco's. My words just ain't gonna come out sometimes. You can see it's clearly broken it, and it's really starting to ride. It looks like it's getting a little bit of resistance. Get my words off this one here, this yellow line here, which is the 0.1 fib, right? And if it can break it, let me show you on another chart. This one here, because I've got the Fibonacci. Sorry, I've got the exponential ribbons up, right? It's an important line because if it can break above this was its last all-time high. If you look back, you know, it's really great to look at charts like this because you can look back, see what happened in the past, then you can understand where there's the support and resistance, right? And as you can see here in the past, we had resistance, you know, it couldn't break above this. And you can see here, couldn't break above it. It's testing it again. If it breaks this, I am expecting Harmony to shoot up literally right up to here, guys. It's not a joke. That's the next space that I'm thinking, because there's nothing else. There's not been any data for Harmony or price action within this space, so there's nothing stopping it from really exploding. It could probably go higher, I don't know, but you know, these would be the next Fibonacci places to look for. So you know, should it continue to rise, 33 cents is what I'm expecting Harmony to go to. If it rips that, you're going straight up to 50 cents. So it's really bullish right now. It's looking good. I'm just going to, you know, remain calm, focused, keep an eye on what's going on with the price. But it is looking good. Let's just quickly go back to the other chart because I want to show you what... Oh, that's the wrong one. Hold on. Sorry, that's something else. Bitcoin. I want to show you how this looks on the weekly because I still have a plan of when I'm planning to take some profits. And if you're a patron of mine, you are going to know this. Let me just, where's the chart? Here we go. You're going to know exactly when I'm taking profits. I'm going to let you know. If you don't want to miss this, actually, let me just show you first. Look, because if you look down here, this is the weekly time frame. Look, you can see here 1 week. And down below, I have the RSI up here. Let me just, up here, just pop it English, up here. Anyway, I got the RSI. And I've got the stochastic RSI. They're great when you use them together because, you know, the stochastic RSI is momentum. One usually comes after another. You can see it here. It looks like it's about to cross, which means that it could be bullish, you know, because, you know, the blue's starting to cross the red. Every time you've seen blue cross red, price goes up. You can see in the Harmony chart, price goes up, right? So, you know, I'm looking at that. We are starting to get a little cross here in the stochastic. Oh, just delete this. In the stochastic RSI, and, you know, if it plays out, we may see it, you know, see a bounce up in the stochastic RSI, and prices may continue to go higher. This is on the weekly, so it's not going to happen straight away. So, you know, this is what I'm just showing you. But on the weekly, this shows a great place to be taking profits. We've got one line here, which was the top of where Harmony went before, back in April, May. You know, so, and right now, this is the RSI. Let's just bring this down and focus on the RSI, because we've got plenty of room. Right now, the RSI is at a 66 level, so it's got enough room to go right up to 94 again. This is when I'm going to consider, and let me just grab this tip here, because this was the last time it hit the top of, it was at 85. Anywhere between here and here, this is going to be a great time to consider taking profits. And I think that when the RSI comes up to this area here, this, you know, we could see Harmony sitting on maybe the 30-50 cent level, something like that. And this is why I get to, you know, taking profits. If you don't want to miss it, become a Patreon, because I'm going to let them know straight away to get my alerts if you have that alert tier, right? So, you know, I recommend going for my buy, sell, stake alert tier. I'm going to scroll down because, you know, each tier does different things. Go for this one, guys. Let me find it. The exclusive VIP partner tier, because this will unlock when I buy, when I sell, when I stake. You'll see it all, okay? If you want a little bit more, you can go for my CEO partner tier. This will give you my super alerts. What is it? You get exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group, where I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. You're seeing it in there first because I'm discussing it with people, right? So yeah, that might be for you. We've got extra things like the 24-hour chat service if you want to talk to some high crypto profile users. They're there. Just talk to everyone, make some gains. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Not going to be super long. Just keep an eye on these levels. You know, you can already see it starting to pull back a little bit here. Let's see if the rest of the day can really push Harmony, because I think we could see it right up to 33 cents if it breaks this level. So I'm gonna leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you new? Welcome in. Yeah, thank you for watching, and shout out to my patrons as well, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers.